Political crisis in Nepal could be resolved soon. This, according to reports that are emerging from the country, where the country's ruling party leader Pushpa Kumar Dahal and also KP Sharma Oli, it appears, are fairly close to a deal. The reports also state that Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli and Dahal, who hold leadership positions in the ruling Nepali Communist Party, had a meeting last week where they reportedly have reached a truce. It's also being said that they are trying to finalize a deal on holding the party's general convention by the end of this year. The reports say that Prachanda, who has of course dropped the demand for Oli's resignation, and the Chinese embassy in Nepal has reportedly played a major role in the agreement between the two leaders. Now, according to reports, Prachanda's meeting with Oli has not gone down well with other senior NCP leaders, including former Prime Minister Madhav Kumar Nepal. And to give us more perspective in terms of what's actually happening in Nepal, we're joined in by Vyond Siddhant Sibal, who's joining us live on this story. Good morning to you, Siddhant. Now, we have been witnessing what's been going on within the Nepali politics for quite a few weeks now, but it appears that a truce has been struck between KP Sharma Oli and his rival, who's also a part of the unity government, Prachanda. And it appears that China has a big hand in the truce that has been struck.
Well, Mohammed, it looks like the Nepali politics is like Game of Thrones. There is almost news coming that a deal has been struck, but it doesn't look like now, given the fact that more fractions have emerged. So let me give you a perspective of the entire development. So there are two fractions in the ruling Nepal Communist Party, the Oli fraction and the Dahal fraction. Now, over the weekend, both Dahal and Oli met the president and a deal was chalked out, under which Prachanda will not ask for resignation of the Nepali Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli. But now the other leaders in the ruling party, which includes Madhav Kumar Nepal and JN Khanal, who both are former Prime Ministers of Nepal, feel betrayed by Dahal because they seem to see this as something that has happened without their consent, and they of course are now asking for their pound of flesh. In fact, they find a U-turn in the policies by Prachanda, because just a few weeks ago he was baying for blood of the Prime Minister of Nepal, asking for his immediate resignation. Now he is not asking for that because it seems that he has got his due from the president and of course the Nepali Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli. Where does India and China fits in? Well, of course it looks like China has always played a key role. We know the Chinese envoy was on the front pages of Nepali newspapers just a week ago, how she was meeting the members of the ruling party there in Nepal. Now, of course, she has mellowed down in terms of her presence in the media in Nepal, because they might be doing now silent diplomacy.
Right.
And where does India fits into the bill? The big question will be on what next for Nepal, because it looks like there could be a prolonged period of political instability in Nepal.
Absolutely, indeed. And also, Siddhant, just to dwell a little bit more on this truce that has been struck between KP Sharma Oli, the Prime Minister, his rival, and also his partner in the unity government, Prachanda. Now the two, it appears, are on the same page. What possibly is the agreement that has been reached? What is the concession that Prachanda has been offered here?
Well, no details have been given out, but it looks like the Nepali Prime Minister has agreed to what Prachanda was asking. Prachanda was asking for a greater role in running the party matters, in running the ruling party, the Nepal Communist Party. There was a report saying that there will be a general convention of the party taking place towards the end of the year, where Prachanda can play an important role. But the fact that the deal has been struck between the two factions and leaving out other factions in the party will be exacerbating the situation. This looks like a fragile truce, a truce which can break easily with any member or any element of the party perhaps feeling betrayed and leaving the party.
All right, we'll have to leave it there. Thank you very much indeed, Siddhant Sibal, for joining us and getting us all those updates in terms of what is happening in Kathmandu. But this, of course, as you said, appears to be a very uncertain truce that's been struck between KP Sharma Oli and Prachanda.